Hi everyone, this is Parul. Welcome to the day 2 of our 7 days beginners yoga schedule. Today we will focus on improving our flexibility. So improving the flexibility of your upper body and your lower body both. So let's start our practice for today. Sit in a comfortable position, sit in a cross-legged position like how I'm sitting. You can always take one leg out if that's more comfortable for you. Let's close our eyes for a few seconds just to center ourselves and prepare ourselves for our practice today. So rest your hands on your knees, close your eyes. Just relax your body. Relax your breath. Let's take 3 deep breaths together. Breathe in through your nose. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out through your nose. Lengthen your exhalation. Breathe in through your nose. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out through your nose. Lengthen your exhalation. Take one more deep breath here. Breathe in through your nose. Take a deep breath in. And breathe out through your nose to exhale longer than your inhalation. Take a pause. And then slowly start to build your focus and awareness for your practice today. And now disconnecting with everything else and connecting with yourself. Let your eyes be closed for a few more seconds. Then on your next exhalation, gently open your eyes. Let's continue with our practice. Okay, so we are going to start with warming up our spine. So you're going to rest your hands on your knees and you're going to make circles with your spine, 3 on each side. So starting from right to left, 3, keep breathing, 2 and 1. And then you change the side, left to right, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now come back to the center, take your arms up, breathe in. Interlace your fingers, give yourself a nice long stretch, breathe in. And breathe out, release your hands. Okay, now rest your right elbow down. Take your left hand over your ears. Left palm facing down, keep breathing. Open your chest, so take your shoulders in line. Make sure you're not leaning forward with your left hand. Breathe. And then you press into your right palm, come back to the center. Take your left hand, put it on the right side of your head. Lean your head to the left, stretch the right side of your neck. Breathe. Gently release your left hand and then you rest your left elbow down, take your right hand over your ears, right palm facing down, breathe. And then you gently press into your left palm, come back to the center, take your right hand, put it on the left side of your head, lean your head to the right, breathe. Stretch the left side of your neck, keep breathing. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently get your head to neutral position. Release your hands. Now take your shoulders close to your ears. Breathe in. Breathe out. Drop your shoulders with a long sigh. We're going to do this 2 more times. Breathe in. Take your shoulders close to your ears. Breathe out. Drop your shoulders with a long sigh. Let's do this 1 more time. Breathe in, take your shoulders close to your ears, breathe in. And breathe out, drop your shoulders down with a long sigh. Okay, now just rest your hands on your shoulders, take your elbows back, yeah? So improving your shoulder mobility and flexibility, 3, 2 and 1. Now change the direction of your elbows, so back to front, 3, 2 and 1, and release your hands. Open your right leg to the side, let your left leg be bent. Take your right hand, put it on your right toes or your right ankle or your right shin. Take your left hand over your ears, left palm facing down. Breathe. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you gently rest your left hand down and switch side. So take your right leg in, open your left leg to the side, rest your left hand on your toes or your ankle or your shin. Take your right hand over your ears, right palm facing down, breathe. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently release. Okay, from here come on all fours and then wrist underneath your shoulders, open your fingers wide, knees underneath your hips, knees are hip width apart and your wrist shoulder width apart. So let's do cat and cow again today. Drop your belly, chin up, breathe in, look up. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest, look at your belly button. So cat and cow is really good for improving spine flexibility, your lower back. Drop your belly, chin up, look up, breathe in. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest, look at your belly button. One more time, breathe in, drop your belly, chin up, look up. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest, look at your belly button. Now get your spine to neutral position. From here, you're going to take your hips back towards your heels like a child pose. Breathe out. And then you're going to come forward in cobra pose. Breathe in. Yes, so really good for improving your lower back mobility and flexibility. Go back. Breathe out. Hips back towards your heels. Come forward. Breathe in, cobra. One more time. Breathe out. Back. Child pose. Come forward. Breathe in, cobra. And then from cobra, take your legs slightly back, okay, lower down your chest, and now we'll work on improving our lower back flexibility. You're going to take your arms back, okay, lift your chest up, lift your legs off the mat, relax your shoulders, breathe, keep looking forward, continue to hold and breathe. Excellent for improving your lower back flexibility and strengthening your lower back as well. Keep breathing for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently lower down your chest. Rest your palms underneath your shoulders. Press into your palms. Come in cobra. Breathe in. Breathe out. Come on all four. Now from here, step your right leg forward. Push your left leg back. Okay. And then from here, we'll get into lizard pose. Right foot to the edge of the mat. Take your right hand in just next to the right foot. Right hand and left hand are shoulder width apart. Push your right hip slightly forward. Right knee on top of your right ankle. And push your left leg back. Open your chest. Breathe. Only if you feel comfortable, see if you can lift your left knee off the mat. Breathe. So good for improving your hip flexibility, lower back flexibility. Breathe. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you're going to let your left knee be off the mat, or you can rest it on the mat also, that's fine. Rest your left palm down, open your body to the right, take your right arm up. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest your left knee down. Right foot in between your palms, and then you straighten your right leg and then you bend. Yeah, working on your hamstring flexibility. Straighten and bend. Straighten and bend. Straighten and bend. And one more time, straighten and hold it here. Rest your abdomen on your right thigh. Half split, Ardha Hanumanasana. Really good for improving your hamstring flexibility. And curl your toes in for your right foot. Make sure you're breathing. Stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest your right foot down. Rest your palms down. Right knee in. Step your left leg forward outside your left hand and push your right knee back. Lizard pose on the left side. Your left hand and right hand are shoulder width apart. Left hip forward, open your chest, breathe. And if you're comfortable, tuck your toes for your right foot, lift your right knee up. Just listen to your body, breathe. And now from here, you're going to plant your right palm down. You can rest your right knee down or lift it up. Open your body to the left, take your left arm up, breathe. Stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest your right knee down, rest your left hand down, left foot in between your palms, and then you straighten your left leg and you bend. Yeah? Straighten and you bend. Really good for your hamstrings. Straighten and bend, straighten and bend, and this time straighten and hold. Resting your abdomen on your left thigh, curl your toes in for your left foot. Continue to hold and breathe for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest your left foot down. Take your left knee in. Now open your fingers wide for your palms. Take your wrist slightly ahead of your shoulders. Pressing into your palms, tuck your toes. We are going to get into downward dog. Lift your knees up, hips up, push your hips back, downward dog. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, from downward dog, rest your knees down and then you slowly take your hips back towards your heels. Take your arms back, rest your palms down, open your fingers wide for your palms, press into your palms and just take your head back gently, breathe. If you're comfortable, you can lift your hips up and push your hips forward, keep breathing. And then you gently rest your hips back towards your heels. Come forward. Open your knees wide as your yoga mat or as wide as you're comfortable. Wide knee child pose. Join your big toes together. Stretch your arms forward. Rest your forehead down, closer to the mat. On the mat, breathe. Stay here. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently take your palms in, get your knees in and lie down. Lie down and let your legs be bent. We will do supine pigeon pose, which is really good for improving your hip flexibility. So left leg is bent, left foot is on the mat. Lift your right foot off the mat, rest your right heel on top of the left knee. Now release your left foot off the mat and hug your left knee and breathe. Make sure your upper body is relaxed on the mat. Relax your neck and shoulders and breathe. Keep hugging your left leg in, keep breathing. And then you slowly release, rest your left foot on the mat and switch side. Rest your right foot back on the mat, right leg is bent. Left heel on top of your right knee. Release your right foot off the mat, hug your right knee in, breathe. Stay here for a few seconds, keep breathing. And then you release your right foot, release your left leg and drop your knees, joining your feet together, sleeping butterfly, Supta Baddha Konasana. Resting your hands gently on your abdomen. Let your body be relaxed. Just take a moment to cool down and breathe. Slowly get the awareness back, get your knees in and turn to the side of your mat. And with the help of your hands, gently make your way up, sitting in a cross-legged position. And now we're going to end the practice with one chant of Om. So you're going to rest your hands gently on your knees. You can let your eyes be closed and just breathe in through your nose. And out through your mouth. Om. 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 Om and breathe out to chant. Om. Let your eyes be closed for a few seconds. You can take this time to see and observe how you feel after your practice today. What's the change you feel in your body and mind on your second day of your yoga practice? Just observe yourself without any judgment. And before you open your eyes, if you want to tell yourself anything positive, just go ahead and do it. And then if you're ready to end the practice, gently rub your palms. Feel the warmth of your palms on your eyes, on your shoulders, on your arms, on your stomach, on your legs. Take your hands back at the heart center and gently open your eyes. So we are done with our practice today. I hope you enjoyed today's sequence. Leave a note for me in the comments below on your experience from today. And also let me know what was the positive word that you said to yourself today. And I will see you again tomorrow. Thank you so much. Namaste. Hi there. Thank you for participating in the 7-day Beginner Yoga Challenge. I'm so glad to see you. If you would like to do more today, you can do guided meditation practice or you can do some breathing exercises. And don't forget to click on the button below to subscribe to my channel to get regular updates on my new videos. Thank you and see you soon. Namaste.